Hi, this is the Galaxy A15 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Click to volume section and to mute ringtone we should just slide to the left side this dot on ringtone volume panel. And also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons. First turn off the switcher, and now with the help of the volume buttons we could mute the ringtone volume. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.